Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack. And today I'm going to show you how to mark spam in Messenger. So, to do this, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger on your phone. So, guys, from here, there are no direct way to mark it as a spam. So you will have multiple alternatives. So first is go to the person that is spamming you. So I'm gonna select this person, John Savvy. And now the first option that we have is the restrict. So guys, here on the restrict, as you can see, we should be able to see less from this person, and this will move the chat out of our site, and this will hide any activity from this person. So pretty much this is the best way to mark the spam on the messenger, and tap on restrict this person down below. Or what you could try to do is you could just simply do an archive on them, and pretty much when they send a message, it will be on the archive, and of course it will not pop out into your chats over here on the homepage. And there you go. I hope these two solutions help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.